M&J Habitat here. It's time for another Hive update. Now this is liable to be ornery because this is a new box on top.
About to see how many bees are in the top box. Got it glued down, don't they?
A little bit. There's bees up here.
I see them. There's a yellow jacket down on the bottom.
Really?
Big yellow jackets underneath the thing, yep.
They drank quite a bit of that syrup too.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a few in the middle, honey. Quite a few bees, honey. Yep, especially that middle frame. They moved up pretty good then. Ain't nothing on that.
Well, they're going to be in the center.
That's where they're at.
We hope to see them in the center.
Oh, it's kind of windy.
Yeah, it's a little windy. Nothing there. Nothing. Nothing. Come on, girls.
Now they're gonna get.
Yeah, we got a little bit here.
Yep. Oh yeah. Drawing it out. I may not like this wind and cool.
Yeah, it may not. We'll make this a quick one.
Yeah.
It's going to rain.
They know it's going to rain.
Oh,
But they
yeah.
filled that out real good.
That's what we want to see.
Yeah, look at that.
Yep. They're working on it.
Oh yeah. What are them hanging like that?
They're just being bees. Okay, so that's good.
Boy, that next one's full. Ooh.
Well, that's the one we brought up from the bottom, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, I think.
This should be a brood frame we transferred. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Look at that laying pattern. It's
Look at
kind of
that.
spotty pattern, actually. But that's a full frame of brood. Little capped honey up in the corner.
See this side.
Arm's hurting today. I can't do it.
Don't drop it.
Too high in the air.
See any larvae?
Well, I don't know if they consider that spotty brood. Back up and take a shot of the overall. Come on, girls.
Just like this.
Yeah, I want to see the overall, whether or not that's considered spotty. I hope not.
Now you turned that around wrong.
Yeah, I did. I'm drawing some frame out here.
Yeah.
So we're getting some frame drawn.
Don't see her. She's still in the bottom.
She's probably in the bottom, yep.
Next one's just got a tiny bit. Look at all the bees down the bottom.
Yeah, they're just starting on this one.
Yeah.
But they're drawing comb.
Nothing on the other ones.
So that's all good. I wonder how heavy this box is.
Right. You gonna try to separate it?
I am. And that's the noise they don't like.
Oh yeah.
It's coming your way.
And this is our bottom box.
Oh yeah.
Yep, they filled that pretty good.
We know this is a honey frame. Glued down pretty good.
There you go. Oh, they filled that out good.
It's all nectar.
Yep.
This is what I'm worried about.
What?
Honey bound.
Oh yeah.
That's a full frame of honey, but it's on the outside, and that's where it should be, so that's all good. Come on, girls. Oh.
Oh. Listen to him.
Well, I think I just
I
squashed
think you squashed him.
I did.
Poor thing.
Brood in the center.
I'm looking for her.
We got honey on the corners. Well, she's laying.
I don't see her there. So are these new bees that look different?
Yeah, the babies. That's the nurse
They're
bees.
light color ones?
Yep.
Sorry, bee. Don't scare me.
Come on, girls. Yeah, I made you mad. Come on.
Yeah, you're buzzing my head.
Am I gonna have to smoke you? I'm trying not to smoke you. I don't want to
They
smoke
don't like this weather, I think.
you. No, they probably don't.
Smash them.
Another nectar, see? That's all
Look at
honey
the-
bound.
see how
There's a little bit of tiny brood in there, but they've backfilled this whole thing with nectar. This is a partial. This is one that I'm gonna have to smoke them.
What? They're not bad. Okay.
Just a little drift over the top.
Watch out, little bees. Oh,
Oh,
that come off.
shit.
That stuck to the other one.
We got crazy comb.
Oh,
We got crazy comb.
shit. That stuck, didn't it? Damn.
They're building crazy comb on us. Come on, girls.
Well, what are you going to do about that? Huh.
It's a mess.
Oh my goodness. Yes, I see it. Look at this. Oh no.
Oh, is this our broken frame?
Yes, I believe so.
This is our broken frame.
Is that the one? It ain't marked. That ain't marked.
Nope, this is the broken frame.
Okay.
This is the one that went kaboom on us.
So they tried to refix it. Right.
And there's larvae in the bottom.
Yeah.
This thing's laid up too. Tag on it.
How are you going to put that back in with the other one? And it gets so it don't stick.
Well, if it didn't have larvae in it,
Yeah.
and it is laid up solid with larvae. We got to move this frame.
Oh my
Okay,
goodness.
I'm gonna need your help. Pull.
Did it get ya?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, get them back in there. They're getting pissy.
Yep.
Got one to go.
They bumped me.
They bumped you,
Yes, they did.
so we don't need to check the rest.
I'm not going to check the rest. Not today. We got what we were after.
They ate the pollen patty.
Oh, shit.
It's gone.
Go get me some pollen patty.
Gotta go get a new pollen patty. Okay. Well, somebody didn't notice a pollen patty was gone. So I had to put more on.
Okay, pollen patty in place.
One on bottom, one on top. Scoot it back this end.
Okay.
Okay.
Now, I want you, well, you can take a look at this frame.
Oh my.
What do I do with this? This frame broke on me last week. I went in this week to get it out, and this is what we found. There is no fishing line or wire. This came in my nuke. The problem being, it is completely laid up with
Wait,
fresh
it's not
larvae.
done.
So what do I do? I'll be asking you here in a little bit. All right,
Pollen
that's
patty.
going to about wrap it up for today's inspection. I'm going to leave one frame out and make up for the room on this crazy comb.
Take that
till we
paper off.
Figure out what to do. And this
Yeah.
is B Pro, and
You just covered
that's
them
from
up.
Man Lake.
You just covered up the bees.
Yep. And they're eating this completely gone. There is nothing left. On the next week when we come in here for a hive inspection, these B Pro patties are completely gone.
Well, it's been 1 week and the one on bottom's gone.
So I'm adding the second pollen patty this week, one on the top and one on the bottom. We're working on the sugar water pretty hard. I just installed 1.5 gallons 2 days ago. We're drinking on it pretty good. We're going to have to correct this inner cover with a ventilated inner cover because I'm getting a lot of condensation in this poly cap, and I don't like that. All right, I'll do it for this week. M&J Habitat. Thanks for watching.